Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll tell you about the Great Niagara Falls. When people asked which is the most famous waterfall in the world, perhaps most people would say Niagara Falls. Oh yes, its intrinsic beauty which makes Niagara Falls one of the most famous in the world. Niagara Falls is located at the southern end of the Niagara Gorge and is the collective name for the three waterfalls that split the international border between United States of America and Canada. From largest to smallest, the three waterfalls are the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Falls. The Horseshoe Falls is the most powerful waterfall in the North America. Not just the beauty of the waterfall, it is renowned for the valuable source of hydroelectric power, a perfect destination for travelers to witness a magical waterfall that encompasses recreational, commercial, and industrial uses. The falls itself is divided into two major waterfalls. Number one, the American side, the American Falls and the Bridal Falls. Number two, the Canadian side, the more majestic Horseshoe Falls. So let's enjoy the nature. It's all about today. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe our channel and ring the bell button to be notified.